You want to do that now?
If you're ready.
I'm ready. We'll do it because I'm hanging for some apple pie and then I'll come back and do some more dovetailing. So this is called multitasking.
Yeah.
See? Woodworking and cooking together. All right, give me what I need.
Okay.
Yes. Flour?
Yes.
So I don't want to get into trouble.
Yeah, I need a little bit as well, so put it in the middle.
In the middle of what?
There. I can dip my fingers.
So why do I need to, when I could squish it? Can't I just squish it?
Not for the top of it, no.
I can't. I've got to. Hang on, can I borrow? I've got to.
Can you borrow?
Because I just want to see how big. There, that's it. I could help, eh, Mum?
Absolutely.
Oh, look at that. Oh, is that true? If it sticks to the rolling pin, I can keep it?
No.
I think it should be. There you go. Oh, is that sweet pastry or what?
An unwelcome one.
It is. Well, there's no. Okay, well, I'll use my marquetry knife and I'll cut a circle. Look at that. Get lost. Fly. See? Look at that. Do you want some more pastry?
Yeah, give me the dregs.
Okay.
So I can squish it around the side.
You got the easy job.
Oh, okay.
I had to be precise. Is that going to lift off there all right?
I hope so.
Well, if not, I'll eat it. I'll eat it cold. I don't care. Oh,
Then Hims truly can put the lid
that
on
won't
it.
fit. No, that bit didn't fit.
Oh, you tell the stories.
Yeah, no. Oh, the apple's nice too.
Okay, now you can put the top on it.
All right. How am I going to do that? That looks yum. Shh, don't tell her.
I bought
All
the
right.
sugar just for an extra bit of sweetness.
I don't think this is going to...
It's not really that important.
What, the top?
Yeah, it's important to put the top on, but it doesn't matter if it breaks.
Well, that's good because it's going to break.
I didn't mean it like that. How are we going to get it?
Well, do it again.
All right, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. You didn't do it right. That should do it.
You reckon?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
He lifts, I'll push it under.
There you go. Look at that. It nearly fits. Oh, it's a mess. Doesn't matter though.
You're messing your tummy too.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
All right.
So then, I know it's a sweet pastry.
There.
Yeah, just put a little bit more sugar on it. You don't have to, but... No, that's enough.
No, because I help. I'll tell you what.
Adventure, thank you.
Hey, thank Business Vulture. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
That is not the nicest looking apple pie I've ever seen, but I tell you what, I'm going to eat it anyway, so I might as well eat it before it gets on there. And you're going to stick it in the oven on the bed?
I'm going to stick it in the turbo cooker for 25 minutes or until golden brown.
Oh, well.
180.
180 for 10 hours, what'd you say? For what?
20 to 25 minutes.
20 to 25 minutes or until it's not burnt. All right, you want to take... Look what you've done to me. I'll make a mess. Look at that. Thank you, darling. We don't need that. All right. Let's go. Back to dovetails. How's it smelling, Suey?
It's smelling great. That's looking even better.
There you go. We're going to have ice cream with it?
If you want ice cream with it.
Oh, we should make some homemade ice cream. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? Turn it around, do the same on the other side. Oh, does that mean it's cooked?
That means it's cooked.
Wait on, I'll flip the screen over on it in a minute.
We can find a tea towel or something in here. We can lift it out. Show people.
There we go. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Look at that, peoples. Feast your eyes upon that. Not you leaning over it.
Fine.
Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, that's hot. There you go. Golden brown. Beautiful. So we'll bring it up here and we'll have a crack at this apple pie. Oh, you should smell it. Bob can smell it. He'll be in here soon. You watch this. He will. We're going to... That's it. Let me put all my sharp things away because I don't want you cutting yourself.
No, darling.
No, because you'll whinge too much and I'll have to put up with you whinging.
Dear, oh dear.
Oh, look at that. What do you want to cut it with?
I've got a knife.
Oh, you got a knife?
Should be very gentle.
Why?
Well, because I don't want my pan scratched.
Oh, here he comes. Bob's in. Bob's in. He's not getting any, though. Is that yours and the rest is mine?
Something like that.
Look at that. Hey, you're watching that. There you go. You can see. Oh. You need a pie slush. Oh, that. Who cares? Whack it on. Mmm. You can have some too.
Yeah.
I thought that was all for me.
Yeah, in your dreams.
Can Bob have some?
No.
In your dreams. You've been told, Bob.
Something like that.
Look at that. Cooked, created, and eaten live on Twitch. What else have we got?
Wait a minute. I've got cream and I've got ice cream.
And the good thing is there's no cayenne pepper on it because I saw it.
That's right.
Daisy licking her fingers. Does it go with that? Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Here we go. It's happening. If I could open it. Is that mine? Is mine the biggest part?
Yes, that's yours.
That's mine. I get the biggest one. Look at that. Look at that. Ready?
Yeah, and then we'll put some cream on it.
Oh.
I didn't shake
No, you've got to give it a good shake. That sounds a bit watery. No, look.
I'd say somebody else has let the gas out of it, rat bag.
Oh, I'd say the grandkids have been in there going...
Yeah, one in particular.
Like that. Yeah, I'm up with that. I think it's true. So there we go. What's the...
Oops.
Bob's in fresh. Yeah, that'll be the day.
Do you want to finish the
Well,
basket?
no, just whatever. Well, that's it. Thanks for joining me on the stream. And Susie, thank you for coming in and
That's all right.
making me something to eat.
Drink.
Yep, well, that's it. No, Bob, you should see. You coming up? What do you reckon, Bob?
I'll be back.
All right. You don't what? What? Don't you tell anyone. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Ow! That's it. Not getting any more. No. No, quick. Mum's coming. Mum's coming.